Assembly lines of robots usually build cars, but these bots are building better crops, and they could help feed a future with 10 billion people. Dupont Pioneer's $40 million lab in Johnston, Iowa is filled with robots. The genetics facility is dedicated to speeding the development of new and better crops. This robot-assisted genetic analysis helps plant breeders combine several desirable genetic traits into one plant. Here's a simplistic example. Scientists discover that corn with a particular mutation, a change in a single spot in its DNA, is better able to tolerate drought. They built a genetic probe containing the mutant DNA sequence and a chemical that lights up if the probe finds a match to its mutation in the corn seed. Scientists crossbreed the drought-tolerant plants with a high-yield variety, hoping to get corn that's got both genetic traits. This produces thousands of seeds. To find out which have the right traits, robots extract DNA from the seeds. The extracted DNA is placed into microwells. A continuous roll of plastic contains thousands of bar-coded microwells. This allows the robots to perform their tests quickly. The probe is added to the extracted DNA in the microwell, but it will only bind to the DNA if it's a match, indicating that the seed's DNA contains the trait the probe tests for. Breeders can then grow and sell only the progeny of the seeds that have the traits they're looking for. Because the process is automated, it's cheap and it's fast. The robots can perform 100 million tests per year, and it's so inexpensive that these genetic tests can now be used to improve crops in poor regions. The cycle of breeding and genetic testing can be repeated to add more and more genetic traits, leading to better crops and more food. For IEEE Spectrum, I'm Samuel K. Moore.